back here to work instead of being a student is really cool. I've been back a couple times before my internship to volunteer at robotics competitions or as a college ambassador. So it's really cool seeing the guts of the building, seeing how it works, and then also comparing that to my experiences within the building that I had as a student. My passion for engineering started when I was really young. My dad has a wood shop in our basement, so for birthday presents for my mom, I'd always work with him to make little projects. So that's where I started becoming an engineer and learning about engineering. So the robotics program at Mundelein really shaped who I am as a person and gave me some of my bestest friends I still have and experiences that I've been able to translate into my college education and in my professional environment. But something else that makes Mundelein unique is the Project Lead the Way program. I started this program as a freshman and completed, I did IED, so Introduction to Engineering Design, POE, Principles of Engineering, and CIM, so Computer Integrated Manufacturing. I would say those classes have helped me a lot in my engineering education, not only my internships. A big part of those classes is learning how to 3D model parts. And now as my internship, it's all 3D modeling, piping now. So a little different, but still in a similar world that the roots of my learning from that is from the Project Lead the Way program. Yeah, this internship has helped me a lot. So I'm majoring in mechanical engineering and I have a minor in construction management. So mechanical engineering is where I experience a lot of the ductwork, the HVAC equipment, and that little experience in the construction helps me understand if what I'm designing actually constructible, can it be built in the real life. So having this internship helps me a lot to see where the things I'm learning in class actually take place in real life. Like the things I've learned in my thermodynamics class, I've used in my internship. So it helps me a lot to understand that what I'm learning actually applies to the real world and helps me figure everything out. So my day-to-day looks a little different every day, but a big part of my internship has been taking existing record drawings and modeling them in Revit, which is our 3D modeling software. So I've been doing that a lot at Mundelein. So not only looking at record drawings, being on site, seeing what existing conditions looking like. So have been in the cafeteria popping ceiling tiles, seeing what pipes are there, checking out pipe labeling, and then getting it modeled into Revit later. But other parts of my day, I've been doing calculations to size mechanical equipment like pumps and chillers. And other things I've done is annotate drawings and even drawn some new branch ductwork in certain areas. After my internship ends, I'll be going back to Bradley University, continue my education, majoring in mechanical engineering with a minor in construction management. I'll be a junior there this fall, so I'm looking forward to being back at school, learning new things, being a part of the clubs I'm in. And then next summer, I'm hoping to intern at a mechanical contracting firm so I can learn about the building side of the mechanical part of a building. And then based on my experience this summer, my experience next summer, decide what I want to do full-time after graduation. Yeah, it does mean a lot as an alumni. I think it's really important that we leave a legacy that's better than what we entered into. So being able to see Mundelein High School get better after I left is really important. And although I may be jealous of some of the changes, seeing that it's better for the next generation. My brother is going to be a senior this fall, so although he won't be able to experience the entire project, being able to have just that little bit extra comfort when he is in school this fall is really important.